What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is Tuesday, December 9th, 2025, and the crypto market is giving us another wild day of movement. We got Bitcoin bouncing, Ethereum heating up, altcoins trying to fight for attention, and a ton of macro news that is shaping where this market could go next. So sit back, relax, and let's break down everything happening in the crypto market right now. Let's start with the numbers. Bitcoin is trading around $93,900, showing a bit of strength after dipping into the high 80s overnight. Ethereum is hovering around $3,378, also catching some upside momentum. Solana continues to be one of the more volatile movers, sitting around $142 with sharp intraday swings. Now, overall, the crypto market is still cautious. A lot of the top 100 coins are red over the past 24 hours, but we're seeing pockets of buyers step in, especially around Bitcoin's new support levels. So why does the chart look like a heartbeat monitor this week? Three major reasons. Number one, Federal Reserve expectations. The market is waiting for strong hints that interest rates may finally drop. Lower rates usually mean more money flowing into the risk assets like crypto. Number two, confidence shock. After Bitcoin record highs earlier this year, well above 120,000, the recent drop has scared a lot of new investors. There's still uncertainty about whether this is a pullback or the start of something bigger. And number three, technical levels. Bitcoin recently reclaimed a big short-term resistance line around $90,800. If bulls hold this level, we could see moves toward 95K and 97K and possibly even 100K again. But nothing is guaranteed, not in this market. Now, zooming out, 2025 has been one of the craziest years in crypto history. Bitcoin exploded to all new time highs earlier in the year, then crashed harder than many expected. Some analysts think Bitcoin could finish 2025 in the red, which would be the first time that's happened since 2022. But others say the entire drop has been nothing more than a healthy correction, the kind of pullback that normally shows up halfway through a long bull cycle. They're calling it a cold breeze, not a winter. Institutional interest is still there, just slower. Big farms are shifting focus between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and selective altcoins depending on the regulatory clarity and risk sentiment. But we're not seeing the euphoric wave of institutional buying that we saw earlier this year. If you're trading short term, there are main things to pay attention to. Bitcoin support near 90,000. If we hold above this level, the market gains confidence. If we lose, expect volatility, big volatility. Ethereum's push toward 3,400 and 3,500. Ethereum has been slowly building strength, but needs to break key resistance levels to confirm a trend reversal. Solana's volume spikes. Solana continues to attract whales and retail traders. When Solana moves, it usually moves fast in both directions. And ETF flows. When Bitcoin ETFs see outflows, price tends to react almost instantly. Same goes for Ethereum. No update is complete without talking risks, macro risks. If the Federal Reserve signals anything hawkish, even slightly, crypto could sell off hard. Sentiment risk. Many investors are tired. After massive drawdowns, confidence takes time to recover. Network risk, roll-ups, layer 2 congestion, and high gas fees today could slow adoption momentum. If users feel priced out, they leave. Simple as that. These are the pressure points sitting underneath the market right now. There are three realistic paths that the market could take next. Scenario one, a rebound. If the Fed hints at rate cuts, money flows back in, Bitcoin pushes toward 100K again, Ethereum breaks past 3,500, and altcoins get a relief rally. Scenario two, sideways chop. Bitcoin stays in a big range, something like 90K to 95K, while traders wait for the real catalyst. This is the most common pattern when uncertainty is high. And scenario three, the downside. If macro news turns negative or buyers disappear, we could revisit the mid 80K region, and weaker altcoins could take heavy hits. To wrap it up, we're in one of the most important phases of 2025 crypto cycle. This isn't the euphoric part, it's the psychological part, the part where people question their conviction. But historically, these are the moments when the biggest opportunities appear. As always, stay informed, stay disciplined, and do your own research. If you enjoyed this update, hit the button and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you on the next video. Let's do this. And remember, time in hands, hold at all costs.